Unraveling the mystery of throwing a curveball in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations: to throw a curveball. This expression is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can really help you navigate English-speaking environments more confidently. Let's get started. At its core, to throw a curveball is a metaphorical phrase that originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a curveball is a type of pitch where the ball is thrown in a way that it curves or bends in the air, making it difficult for the batter to hit. When we use this phrase in everyday English, we're referring to a situation or an action that is unexpected or surprising, which makes it challenging to handle or respond to. It's like saying someone has presented a problem or scenario that isn't straightforward and requires extra thought or a different approach to manage. To truly grasp the essence of this phrase, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, imagine your boss suddenly announces a major change in project direction 2 days before the deadline. This is a curveball because it's unexpected and requires quick adaptation. In personal life, if a friend who always follows a strict diet suddenly decides to binge on junk food, they've thrown a curveball in your understanding of their habits. In academic settings, when a teacher announces a pop quiz when you were expecting a regular class, that's definitely a curveball for the students. These examples show that a curveball can come from anywhere, changing the course of action or thought in significant ways. So, how should one respond when life throws a curveball? Here are a few tips. 1. Stay calm. The first step is to remain calm and not panic. It helps you think clearly and assess the situation. 2. Be flexible. Being open to changing your plans or strategies is crucial when dealing with unexpected situations. 3. Seek advice. Sometimes, getting perspectives from others can offer solutions you might not have considered. Responding effectively to curveballs is a valuable skill, both in language and in life, showing resilience and adaptability. And there you have it, folks. Understanding the phrase, to throw a curveball, not only enriches your English vocabulary but also prepares you for the unpredictable nature of life. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase for you and that you're now better equipped to catch those curveballs, both linguistically and metaphorically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.